Now you're good.
Alright. We're going to do pitch up, pitch down. Attitude gauge is working. Vertical speed is working.
Yeah, you keep doing that. I will. There's attitude. It's a little out of whack, but it just needs to be reset. What's the next one? Direction.
Direction shouldn't be moving. We're
Moving
talking
ever so
vertical
slightly,
speed.
only because maybe you've been rolling it.
Okay.
There we go. I like that one. Wow, that one works really good.
Okay.
And then let me bring it back. No, we're gonna do one big video. All right, now do your roll. Do it again. All right, now what are we supposed to see?
Continue doing the direction.
Why does it move after?
Amplitude.
Okay. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, you keep moving your feet. Just keep doing that.
Perfect.
Now what's supposed to move? Anything?
You can see the front wheel moving.
Yeah, let's look at the front wheel.
Turn the flaps in the motor.
Yeah, flaps.
You can
Flaps?
see that. You can see
Flaps.
Do you see the flaps?
the rudder.
Okay.
Look at the rudder.
Just go up and down, and we'll. All right. Let me go back.
Okay.
You can
You have to
see
wait for the
the end. You have to drop it down
Yeah, keep going up and down on that.
slow.
So, alright, can you see that gauge?
Do it. Yeah, I can see it. You can see. Can you take it back?
This
Crown and
dial-
neck glued together,
dial
but
needs to be
you
glued back on.
can you go all the way to the front?
Yeah, you can see it.
That thing is moving 2 seconds ago. I can feel it. It's moving.
Yeah, we gotta
Just
do
needs
what
to
we
be
did.
tightened.
with
Here, let me just make
No,
proof that it does move.
Retightened, right? You need more pressure.
So-
it just needs to be glued. Yeah.
Yep.
Glued.
So that's moving. I broke the rattle. And it's still working. Okay.
What else is there?
That's it.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Say whatever you're
There you
gonna
go. Chaos.
Roll down pitch.
all together. That's moving. The 3 dials. Okay. 3 dials.
Feel
Left
that wind.
and stop.
Yeah, I see.